Okay, in the last video, we resized this image here, Dad and Lauren smaller. Now, I do want to use the other image that I downloaded of girl with laptop. So, before I get into inserting the images into my web page, let's go through OpenView and resize this image. So, here's the shortcut to OpenView. Then we can click open. That's set to my desktop, so I find the image I want. Here it is here. Click image, resize and resample, and it's 566 by 849. Well, let's make this one 325, and it changed the height and the width again because we got this set. Let's click OK, File, Save As, Girl with Laptop 1, and automatically come into 90. Let's change this to 80 and click Set to my desktop, click Save. So again, close OpenView. Here's the laptop 1. So this is the smaller image. Let's see the size this came in at. 25.9 instead of 109 kilobytes. So that'll fit on my web page a lot nicer. So let's close them out. Now, remember, anything you're going to use on your website has to go where? In our project folder. Exactly. So let's double click my documents to find my project folder. Project folder for how to create a free web page.com. Now there's only going to be one thing in here, and that's my home page. So let's double click on this, and here it is, my index page. I can make this window smaller. Now, I got Girl with Laptop 1 is one of them that I resized, so I'm going to left click on that and drag it and drop it into my folder. And I want Dad and Lauren smaller. Left click again and drag and drop it into my folder. That's the original one, that's the original one. So that's good enough for now. That's one way of moving files into your folder. Now I need a couple of more images, so I'm going to click Start, go to My Pictures. I want to find the pictures that I want. I believe they're in here. Okay, I want to use this check one. I want this guy. Well, I guess these two are good enough for now. I'll move these two. So there's another way to move files. These ones are my originals, so I want to save a copy of these. I don't want to just drag and drop them into my folder. So what I'm going to do is click on my Control key on my keyboard, click on the other image to turn them both blue. Then over here, I'm going to click Copy the selected items, and then same as everything you do on a computer is scroll through here to find your website, and I know it's in my documents, and it's called Project Folder, How to Create a Free Web Page.com. Well, I'm clicking on that folder and highlighting it blue. Then I'm going to click Copy. And that's another way to copy images and still keep the originals in your original folder. So now I can close this window out. And now if I click Start, My Documents, scroll down here and find my project folder, which is right here. double click my project folder. Now you can see we got Girl with Laptop 1, Dad and Lauren Smaller, Check 1, Point Here, Animated. Now a better way to see these images is click on this little icon here and click Thumbnails. And now we can actually see the images of what we have. We got our index page and 4 images. So right now this is good enough for starting a website. So let's close that. Now in the next video we'll insert them into our web page. So I'll see you in the next video for inserting images.